Hello and welcome. I'm Brian Jacobson, the Senior Product Development Manager here at DecksDirect. Let's talk about cable railing and why our newly redesigned Skyline cable railing system is about to become your new favorite. Put simply, this is the best value swaged cable railing system on the market. You're getting the same premium modern style and durability you expect from top national brands at a very attractive price point. That extra budget, you can put it toward lighting, patio furniture, or upgrades you'd otherwise skip. But Skyline isn't just about price. It's about performance. You get wide open views with zero clutter. There's no bottom rail, no intermediate balusters, just tension cables and a slim top rail that mounts flush with the post tops. There are no bulky brackets, no visual distractions, just clean modern lines that practically disappear into the landscape. Planning is a breeze. The new system has been redesigned with straightforward kits for posts, rails, and fittings. One post type works for all level runs, and you can run cable up to 70 feet with 2 turns before you need to start a new section. Every post is pre-drilled and ready to go, and every bracket is perfectly positioned thanks to the self-centering drill guide. We have upgraded the new Skyline to be simple enough for the DIYer to install with confidence, and for contractors, it installs efficiently with fewer parts, fewer callbacks, and a modern look that will make customers happy. The AMA 2604 powder-coated aluminum and marine-grade 316 stainless steel cable infill are the industry standard for durability and will stand up to the elements and require minimal maintenance. For projects located in harsh saltwater coastal environments, take a look at our new Skyline Pro system with an industry-leading AMA 2605 powder coat finish. For peace of mind, Skyline is backed by our 15-year warranty. Here's the best part. Skyline is in stock and ready to ship to meet your project timeline. And it's available exclusively from the experienced professionals at DecksDirect who are ready to guide you every step of the way. The new Skyline is modern, durable, and delivers the best view possible. Skyline cable railing, available now at DecksDirect.com